TV. Today, you're cooking with Tunechi. First off, I'm gonna let you know the ingredients of what we cooked. First thing we got is we cut up some tofu and we pressed it. We pressed it to get all the moisture out, get all the water out of it. Pressed it inside of a paper towel, sit some heavy on it, get all the water out of it. And you cut it into cubes like this. This is how it looked before. All right? Turn it down, Mama. And then what you got is you definitely got to cut up, slice up some avocados. You slice them up just like this. You slice them up. And then you're going to cook your tofu. You're going to cook it and it's going to get nice and crispy. Now what you're going to put on it is garlic powder, soy sauce. Now this, we don't use soy sauce. We use right here from Soy Protein. It's an all-purpose seasoning. It's liquid aminos. And it's a natural soy sauce alternative. It's way more healthy. And you're gonna use some turmeric. Turmeric comes in look baggy, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna sprinkle that on one side. Then you're gonna start to cook that side in grapeseed oil. That's what we use, some grapeseed oil. So we got that going. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make your mix. You're gonna take some vegetarian/vegan just mayonnaise, and add a little ketchup to it. And you're gonna take your bread and you're gonna grill it. We grilled this on both sides. I just put it into one of the griddle pans, put it like that, let it warm up, get the grill marks on it, nice and toasty for your bread. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add your homemade Thousand Island dressing to the bottom. You're gonna add that to the bottom. All right. Then you're going to add your hash brown. Definitely add the hash brown. It's better to use the ones with the, you know what? We could probably, yeah. It's going to just have to go straight across like that. Then you're going to add your tofu. Okay, like that. Add your tofu, 4 slices of tofu. Then you're gonna add your avocado. It's gonna be really good. Then you add your other side. Look at that. Look at that sandwich. And then you're gonna add meat to it. Oh, this is good. Oh my God, that's good. So let me make the kids theirs, and we're about to sit down and eat us a vegan breakfast sandwich made by Tunechi. You already know what it is.
If
you don't want to end up
in the box, stick outside and write in.
Drug dealing and killing is going on in my town. It don't take a killer to kill or a driller to drill. See, just being yourself is the definition of real.